I was playing Granny and thought, wait, can I run this in the browser? Everyone was like, Jan, stop, browsers are for boring websites, get a real job. But I don't care, I want it in Chrome. Now, it took 18 days and $6-7. Here is what happened. First problem, I need a house. So I opened Blender and yeah, one cube. 6 days later, boom, low poly prison. Is it beautiful? Surprisingly, yes. Optimized, potato friendly. The layout, close enough to the original. Then I modeled Granny herself. She's beautiful, she's elegant, she's ready to haunt your browser history. Now the items. I added 101 spawn points, because if you aren't suffering, I'm not doing my job. To exit you just need to open the door. Simple, right? Except there are 5 locks and this fuse box. And just for fun, I made it spawn in 3 different places. Alright, modeling done. Time to break the internet. First export to browser is cool, I have a house, but it's just a ghost tour and it's boring. So I added the player's logic, a flashlight and blacked out the house, and okay, now it's a horror game. Let's add interactive stuff. Doors, closets, lockers, cabinets with shelves, kitchen cupboards. But wait, why is my FPS dying? I'm just opening a door. Also, I added items you can pick up and drop. Behold, the watermelon slayer. Put it in, chop its head off, and get a prize. But my CPU is crying right now. Satisfying. Look, a PowerPoint presentation. Oh wait, it's my game. And rest in peace my RAM. I started panicking. If the game lags this hard with just doors and the watermelon, what happens when I add her? So I made a decision, rewrite everything on a lighter engine. Result? Same lags and new bugs. And I genuinely thought, will I succeed or not? I was like, I'm done with this shit. So I did the only logical thing. I traded my keyboard for DJ decks and walked away. I opened the project, reverted to the first version. And you know what? Forget optimization, let's just finish this thing. I added main door interactions, logic for the safe, the well and the attic plank, physics for falling boxes and planks, a 5-day system, so if you lose all your days, it's game over. Falling through the attic hole now costs you a day. And finally, you can actually escape, and it works. At that moment I got really hyped. Then I recorded sounds. I added a main menu, a settings menu, sensitivity and volume sliders, because my own screamer was way too loud. And now, time to give Granny a brain. So let's bring her to life. First attempt, a total disaster. She's a ghost moving at half a mile per hour. After some tuning, she picks random spots on the map and patrols. And it actually works. Zero lag, she's finally alive. Now let's teach her to hear sounds. But I ran into a bug. Sometimes she just freezes. I spent whole day on this. Rewrote the sound detection 5 times. It cost me $8.91 in real dollars. But once fixed, she's unstoppable. Make a sound and she will find you. Now vision. If she sees you, you're cooked. Get behind the wall, congrats, she already forgot you exist. And she can open doors now. Then I added creaky floors. Step on them and Granny knows where you are. Also I added difficulty levels. Practice. No Granny, just vibes. Walk around and memorize the house. Easy. Granny moves like she is 90 years old, which she is. Normal. She is faster now. Creaky floors will snitch on you. Hard. She is faster than you. You can't outrun her, only outsmart her. One mistake and you are done. Then I added hiding spots, beds and lockers. But there is the thing, if she sees you hide, she's not leaving, she'll just camping. I tested this once, she stood there for 2 minutes, just staring. And finally, the jump scare. Alright, enough talking. If I'm going to play my own game, I might as well do it right. Let's play on hard mode. Let's go. Day 1, let's go. She will be right there in a second, you know. She's from Formula 1, what the f. She's damn fast, you know. So I'm really scared of her. Ah! I really was scared. What? No way. I hope she will not catch me. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I made too many sounds, guys. No way, no way. Yes, hammer. Chop the plank. Pick up, bro, let's go. And I hope we'll find something right there, you know? Nothing. She's everywhere. And she's, you know, Max Verstappen. No, bro, no. Ah, handle. Okay. Oh, cut players, guys. I'm so lucky. No! Whoa! What the? What? Cut players, please. Nice. She's not there. I hope. Cut wire here. Yes, I have a card. I do this. Whew. I thought I was cooked, you know, like
Team Cook, you know.
so it's a win, I hope. And you can play this right now. Links in the description and the pinned comment. See ya.